myself Pari. So welcome back to the second episode of the first series, that is quick and easy makeup look, which you can do in just 5 minutes. And today's topic is all about office makeup look, which is very easy and simple to do, and this is the final look. And I hope that you guys will enjoy this video and it is helpful to you. So if you love the look, then keep on watching. So without any further delay, let's get started.
So here I am using Nivea Soft Moisturizer to moisturize my skin properly and applying it all over my face with the help of my fingers. Then I am using MAC Pearl Gel Primer and applying it gently all over my face. Using Pond's BB Cream as my base. If you have any kind of different foundation or high coverage foundation, you can use it, but here I am using this BB Cream as it gives a very natural look. So using a beauty blender to blend the BB cream properly. Using the same BB cream as my eye base and then blend it properly. Using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer around my mouth area, bridge of the nose and middle of the forehead, and also a little under my eyes to highlight these areas properly, and then blend this concealer properly and quickly. Then what I am going to use is this Maybelline Fit Me Compact to bake under my eyes. So using it with the help of the beauty blender only, you don't need any kind of other brushes or anything else. So just baking it properly under my eyes, and then rest of the powder which is remaining on the blender, I am applying it all over my face. Then I am using Huda Beauty Nude Eyeshadow Palette and using the raw shade from it as an eyeshadow and applying it all over my eyelid properly and then blending it smoothly. So now I am using Swiss Beauty Eyeshadow Palette and using the copper golden shade from it and applying it on my eyes so that it gives you a little shine on your eyes. You guys can totally skip, it's upon you, but it changes your final look like with a huge difference. So I am applying it and apply it on the inner corner of your eyes so that your eyes look a little bit popped up. So now using Swiss Beauty Eyebrows and Gel Liner, which is 2-in-1, and firstly filling their eyebrows properly and giving them a proper shape with the help of brush which you get with this, and using the second gel liner with the help of the eyeliner brush. This is not included in this is a separate brush, and I am applying the eyeliner with the help of it. This is very affordable 2-in-1 eyebrow and gel liner, so you guys can buy it and I recommend it. It is the best product. I am also applying kajal on my waterline with the help of that similar gel liner. Now using the nude brown shade from the eyeshadow palette and applying it as a brush. You guys don't need any kind of other blush. You can also apply blush from the same eyeshadow palette. So now coming to the main step which I love the most, I am using white eyeshadow from the Swiss Beauty Eyeshadow Palette, and applying it as a highlighter, which I love the most. Now using MAC lipstick, which is in the light brown shade, and applying it properly. Then what you need to do is wipe off the extra lipstick with the help of the tissue, and you are done. This is the final look.
So guys, I have tied an high ponytail and this is the final look. And you need to tie a high proper pony since you can not go with a messy bun or open hairs to the office. I hope that it was useful for you guys, and it is easy and you can do it in a quick and simple way. So I hope that you guys would enjoy the second episode of the first series. And if you love the video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe on my channel if you are new to my channel. So see you in the next episode of this series. Till then, bye.